Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., gusty showers are located along the line extending from near Montrose Harbor to near Joliet, moving northeast at 35 knots.
Hazard,
wind gusts to 40 knots.
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged from suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted Harrison Beaver, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor,
31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Harbor, Inducible Harbor.
Move to safe
harbor immediately
as high waves are expected. Here is the forecast for